Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Feeling wired after taking cough medicine is common with ingredients like dextromethorphan or pseudoephedrine. These stimulate your nervous system and can cause restlessness or extra energy. Mild jitters usually aren't harmful, but if symptoms last or worsen, it might mean sensitivity or overuse. Always follow the dosage instructions and check with a healthcare professional if you're concerned.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.